long.
Long track. Yes.
With a curve.
The curve. Right.
And please put a pedestrian crosswalk or zebra crossing.
Pedestrian.
Oh, ya. Nos ha sobrado una.
A person who walks.
Ah, vale.
Nos ha sobrado una.
Okay? So, okay, yes. So please place your crosswalk or zebra crossing sign on the outside. On the outside. Outside.
Outside.
No, por ahí no.
Where is the
Paso de
crosswalk? Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
And it's very important that pedestrians, the people who walk, can see at night. So it's very important to give them light.
Okay.
Aquí.
Okay,
Inside.
perfect.
And it's okay.
Do we have here a fire station?
Al lado bolillo.
Si quieres, lo que quieres, puedes colocar o ya.
Where do you think the fire station should go? Inside? Okay, so let's put the fire station inside of the circuit, inside of the train track. Very nice.
Chicos, ¿habéis visto? Ya han montado el recorrido.
Yeah.
Ahora vosotros tenéis que ir mucho